Hello guys, how to fix Windows update error in Windows 11 and Windows 10, and a lot of Windows error code appear on your screen while using Windows 11 and Windows 10. How to fix these issues? First go to Windows search and type Windows features. You should make sure that .NET features should be enabled in your Windows 11. If you find these are disabled, you should make enable such type of Windows features. .NET start. All such type of features should be enabled in your Windows 11, Windows 10 to fix this Windows update error code. The second workaround is go to Windows settings, open Windows settings app and click on troubleshoot. Thereafter choose other troubleshooters and run Windows update troubleshoot. It will detect any issues regarding Windows update and resolve them accordingly. If your problem exists, then go to the next workaround, go to Windows search, type Windows Defender. Windows Defender firewall may restrict various Windows update process, so you should temporarily disable it. Open Windows Defender and right from the right pane choose turn Windows Defender on or off and disable it for the both public network and private network. Turn the toggle button off against turn off Windows Defender firewall against public network as well as private network. Then check your Windows update error code disappeared or exist. If not resolved, then go to the next workaround. Go to Windows search, type cmd, open command prompt Windows as administrator mode, run as administrative and type the command sfc scan now to check any corrupt file system exists in your Windows 11-10 system that restrict the Windows update and accordingly Windows update error code appears on your screen. That's all.